Have you ever wondered, are air fresheners bad for you? There is a very clear answer, and in this video, we're going to tackle that topic and you're going to learn about two amazing solutions to ditch and switch to a better way for freshening your air. My name is Carla Santiago, certified Qigong teacher and essential oil specialist. I combine the wisdom of these two ancient health modalities in today's modern world to reduce stress, increase vitality, and teach mind and body wellness tips for elevating our wellness journey. If you are looking for ways to consistently nurture mind-body wellness, hit the subscribe button and stick around until the end, and I'll share my free essential oils for stress and sleep resource. Now let's talk toxins. We are exposed to countless toxins every day from sources we may not even be aware of. Are you ready to identify the hidden toxins in your environment and switch to cleaner yet affordable options? You might be thinking, what's the big deal? Are toxins really that bad? Toxins can cause imbalances, negatively affect wellness, and influence daily and long-term health. Also, the more toxins you're exposed to, the greater the toll on your body. A toxin is any substance that places undue stress on the body, and when you ditch toxin-ridden products and switch to natural alternatives, you lighten the load, your toxic load, supporting your body to function optimally. Unfortunately, as your toxic load increases, your body becomes less efficient at managing the toxins. When you need your body to be functioning at its best, it's hindered and slows down, which can lead to negative health effects. The good news is you control what you bring into your home. We can't avoid all toxins, but we get to choose what comes into our space. Let's talk fragrances. While you might think the air in your home is cleaner and safer than the air outside, this belief isn't always true. Indoor air is often more toxic than outdoor air because of the products being used and trapped inside. Even worse, many of the products marketed as keeping your home smelling fresh actually spread synthetic harmful chemicals and fumes into your indoor air, exposing you and your family to toxins that are inhaled into your body. And synthetic air fresheners are one of the top offenders. Toxins in air fresheners can accumulate in the body, and long-term exposure to the chemicals in air fresheners can cause damage to the lungs, kidneys, central nervous system, and even alter hormones, which can be really damaging. And short-term effects can include headaches or respiratory problems such as triggering asthma and allergies. Here's the good news, actually great news. Using pure essential oils for freshening up your home not only smells great, it comes with many health benefits instead of the nasty side effects. So it's really a win-win all around. So please avoid exposing yourself and those you care for to unnecessary toxins by tossing out the synthetic plug-ins and candles in addition to those toxic air freshener room sprays. Now, you don't have to worry that getting rid of candles and air fresheners means you'll have to say goodbye to the lovely scents you enjoy. Pure essential oils, which carry the compounds from plants, flowers, trees, are so potent and naturally fragrant, they can provide powerful, inviting aromas that are even better than the synthetic fragrances you're used to. In fact, I started getting more compliments on how nice my house smells after making the switch from toxic air fresheners to the natural options we're going to discuss. I also found that after allowing my nose and senses to only take in the real scents from nature, now when I do smell synthetic fragrances, whether it's in an air freshener or body care product, I can recognize the toxicity in the smell, and it's horrible to the senses because it's not natural and is foreign to our bodies. This is why I can enjoy peace of mind letting my grandkids spray our DIY essential oil air fresheners and know they are only being exposed to natural compounds directly from nature rather than harmful toxins. Which takes us to two simple ways you can make the ditch and switch. Number one, make your own air fresheners out of water and your choice of essential oils. You can use a fine mist sprayer like this one and select your choice of essential oil scents from citrus, wood, mint, floral, spicy, or herbaceous, or a mix of multiple categories. For example, a popular and simple combination is wild orange and peppermint. You could put 15 drops of each one and fill the rest of this bottle with water, and then you just shake before each use and spray to your delight to fill the room with this wonderful aroma. If it feels overwhelming to create your own mix of aromas, use one of doTERRA's blends such as Citrus Bloom, which is beautifully crafted, combining the brightness of citrus peels layered with freshly cut florals. Greek wild orange and pink grapefruit essential oils deliver the sunny and fresh aromatic notes, which uplifts and energizes us while helping to reduce the feelings of tension. And then lavender, Roman chamomile, and magnolia floral oils add a softer, sweet touch that can help calm and soothe, leaving the emotions feeling more balanced. This blend promotes feelings of joyful self-worth and stimulates a focused mindset. Those are benefits directly from nature and cannot be found in synthetic air fresheners. Spray it in any room or on pillows and linens, anywhere that you want to enjoy this safe and fresh aroma. Number 2, diffusing essential oils is one of the easiest ways to freshen the air in your home and enjoy the aromatic benefits. Pure essential oils are incredibly potent, so it only takes a few drops to fill an entire room with their aromas. To make it even easier to enjoy the power of essential oils while freshening the air in your home, doTERRA created the Aroma Essentials collection with 10 of the best essential oils and blends for diffusing, as well as a powerful diffuser. You'll have everything you need to create a fresh, clean environment that smells incredible. It's a great place to start if you are new to this ditch and switch of replacing toxic scents with natural aromatic compounds. It's also important to point out that many essential oils on the market, even when labeled pure, are heavily contaminated or adulterated with synthetic chemicals. If you're buying essential oils, it means you want something completely natural and safe. Make sure you don't inadvertently buy something you think is natural but turns out to be synthetic. For more information about how doTERRA oils are different, check out the link in the description of this video titled Why doTERRA for some valuable information and videos about quality and sourcing. Now let's take a closer look at the Aroma Essentials collection and see why so many families are choosing to bring these pure products into their homes and their lives. This here is the Lulus diffuser. It works wonders for elevating the atmosphere of your home. This ultrasonic diffuser can run up to 8 hours and has 4 ambient light settings to match whatever mood you're in. Ultrasonic diffusers such like this use water and electronic frequencies to create a fine mist. These types of diffusers are nice because they're generally quiet and only need a small amount of essential oil. Now I'm going to briefly talk about the 10 oils that come in this kit so you have an idea of the variety that you would receive with this kit and with essential oils in general. Keep in mind the oils in this kit have many more uses than just diffusing. So if you want to learn more ways to use essential oils for health and wellness, look in the description of this video for a link to one of my upcoming Intro to Essential Oil Zoom classes where I go in more depth about the different ways to use your oils in just everyday living. So let's dive in. Number 1, wild orange. With countless options for the home, mind, and body, wild orange remains one of the top selling doTERRA essential oils. The primary constituent of this essential oil, limonene, is known for its cleansing properties. Diffusing wild orange will fill your home with a sweet, refreshing aroma as well as help freshen the air. Another great way to use wild orange aromatically is put a couple drops on your counter as you're wiping it down, and that fresh scent, sweet aroma will fill the air, and those cleansing properties will go to work on your counter. Number 2, On Guard. The On Guard doTERRA blend is one of the most popular doTERRA products, and for good reason. It's a blend of wild orange, cloves, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary essential oils, all of which offer powerful cleansing properties. Blends like this are targeted with specific oils to create a more powerful approach to reaching your goal. And it provides a warm, spicy aroma that can be diffused to refresh the air. You can use On Guard in many other ways, and it is very supportive to our immune system and comes in other products for this purpose. So remember to join one of my upcoming Intro to Essential Oil Zoom classes to learn more ways to use the On Guard and its family of products. Peppermint. Throughout history, peppermint has been valued as a multi-purpose plant and oil, with its components now used by cosmetic, culinary, and health industries worldwide. It has a stimulating, energizing aroma that many go to for a quick pick-me-up. And like I shared earlier, diffusing it with wild orange is a great combination. Just 3 drops of each in your Lulus diffuser would be plenty for a wonderful, uplifting, and energizing aroma. Serenity. Serenity doTERRA Restful Blend offers a calming, relaxing aroma, providing a unique aromatic experience. It combines essential oils that are renowned for creating a restful environment at bedtime. Lavender, cedarwood, ylang-ylang, marjoram, Roman chamomile, vetiver, and Hawaiian sandalwood. A great one to diffuse while you're sleeping. Then Breathe. Breathe Respiratory Blend is a remarkable oil blend, including laurel leaf, peppermint, eucalyptus, tea tree, lemon, and cardamom. It can help maintain feelings of clear airways and easy breathing while also minimizing the effects of seasonal threats. Cheer, fresh and bright doTERRA Cheer Uplifting Blend combines citrus and spice oils like wild orange, clove, lemon, myrtle, ginger, and cinnamon bark. It provides an uplifting, cheerful aroma that you can reach for when you need a little more sunshine in your home. So instead of using an air freshener plug-in or candle, diffuse cheer in the morning before your kids go to school, for example, to set the tone for the day. You could also add a few drops to your favorite on-the-go diffuser and place it in your car as you drive to work, run errands, or take a road trip. Adaptive. When occasional stress and tension occur, Adaptive Calming Blend is a natural solution you can rely on. It combines wild orange, lavender, copaiba, spearmint, magnolia, rosemary, and neroli to create a beautiful, relaxing aroma. Adaptive can assist you throughout a demanding day. Diffuse it in your office to promote a calm, centered atmosphere during your qigong or yoga practice, or even while the kids are doing homework to create an environment of tranquility. Balance. The doTERRA Grounding Balance Blend, appropriately named Balance, offers a tranquil, harmonizing aroma to your environment. This oil blend brings together spruce, hoewood, frankincense, blue tansy, blue chamomile, and osmanthus to create a woody, sweet scent. Many love experiencing the aromatic benefits of doTERRA Balance on a daily basis. And then Northern Escape. It is a proprietary oil blend of black spruce, Siberian fir, balsam fir, lavender, cedarwood, cypress, hinoki, frankincense, nutka, kananga, and clove. Its fresh green aroma creates a beautiful atmosphere of harmony and peace. Diffusing this blend is like taking a journey through the forests of the world. Whenever you could use a minute to yourself to think and breathe, Northern Escape is the perfect natural solution to turn to. And lastly, Citrus Bloom is also in this kit, which I previously spoke about. I like to diffuse this one in a diffuser that's near my cat litter box, keeping the scent in that area nice and fresh. You can find a link to the Aroma Essentials collection with all the oils we covered, plus the diffuser, in the description of this video. And when it comes to essential oil diffusers, there are many different styles to choose from for your own personal preferences and the type of room that you'll be diffusing it in. One other one that I particularly like that doTERRA carries is the Roam diffuser. So this one is called the Roam diffuser because it charges on a base that's plugged in, but then I can take it off that base and take it anywhere I want. So which is nice if you want to put it on a kitchen island without the plug showing, or sometimes I'll take it out on the porch with me as I'm just relaxing on the porch and would like this nice aroma. Also, there's essential oils that will help to repel bugs. And so if I'm sitting on the porch and I want to have that effect, that's another great way that the Roam comes in handy. So again, this is called the Roam diffuser. And just like all of them, it has different settings for different lengths of time that it can diffuse and things like that. So just another great option. You don't have to feel powerless or hopeless when it comes to your well-being or the well-being of those you love. With the power of nature at your side, you can truly take control of the toxins that may permeate your home and instead enjoy clean, natural living. Today we focused our attention on synthetic fragrances in air fresheners, candles, and plugins. I'll be sharing another video that dives into how you can ditch and switch the toxic products that many use for cleaning and body care. And now I invite you to download my free Essential Oils for Stress and Sleep resource to promote mind-body wellness throughout the day by clicking the link in the description. And if you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more mind-body wellness videos, and sending you much peace. Thank you for watching.